G'day! In this lesson we'll configure the database integrations for the author entity introduced in the previous lesson. Let's open the bookstore DB context in the Entity Framework core project and add the following DB set property. DB set of the type authors entity with the name authors getter setter. Then we open the bookstore DB context model creating extensions class in the same project and add the following code to the end of the configure bookstore method. This is just like we did for the book entity before. Refer to creating the server side for the books for a detailed explanation. Now we'll open the PMC, which is the Package Manager console in Visual Studio, and ensure the default project is selected as Entity Framework.db Migrations. Also, we will set the host project as the startup project by right-clicking it on the Solution Explorer and clicking on Set as Startup Project. We will run the following command to create a new database migration. Add-migration with the label added_authors. This command will create a new migration class. Then we will run the command update-database command to create the table in the database. Now that the authors table has been created in the database, we will create a new class named EF Core Author Repository inside the Entity Framework Core project in an authors folder and replace its contents with the following code. The EF Core Author Repository inherits from the EF Core repository, so it inherits the standard repository method implementations. Whereif is a shortcut extension method of the ABP framework. It adds the where condition only if the first condition is true. It filters by name only if the filter was provided. You could do the same yourself, but these type of shortcuts makes our life easier with ABP framework. Finally, sorting can be a string like name ASC or name DESC for descending. It is possible by using the system.link.dynamic.core NuGet package. In this lesson, we configured and created the database table for the author's entity. Join me in the next lesson as we implement the author's application layer.